Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 9th January 2026. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, Prajapita Brahma is the great-great-grandfather, that is, he is the first father of all the religions. Only you children know his occupation. Question. What is the way to make your actions elevated? Answer. Do not hide from the Father any actions you have performed in this birth. Perform every action according to Srimad and every action will then become elevated. Everything depends on actions. If someone performs sinful actions and hides that, he receives 100-fold punishment and that sin continues to increase. Yoga with the Father is then broken. Those who hide their sins in this way totally destroy all the truth within them. This is why you have to be honest with the true Father. Essence for Dharana. First is, always be honest with the true Father. Completely sacrifice yourself to the Father. Second is, imbibe this knowledge and become wise. Maintain deep internal happiness. Don't lose your happiness by doing anything against Srimad. Blessing for today. May you be unshakable and immovable by experiencing the point of the drama and remaining constantly in the stage of a detached observer. Details are: those who experience the point of the drama remain constantly stable in the stage of a detached observer and constantly experience being unshakable and immovable. Souls who are experienced in the point of the drama will not see anything bad in something that is bad, but will only see goodness, that is, they will see a way that is for self-benefit. All accounts of loss have now finished. You are the children of the benefactor Father. This is the beneficial age. Use the authority of this knowledge and your experience and become unshakable and immovable. Slogan is, those who use their time in a worthwhile way by considering it to be invaluable can never be deceived. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. In this Avyakt month, stay free from bondage and experience the stage of liberation in life. It is only at this time that you have to experience the stages of liberation and liberation in life with the treasures of knowledge. Become free from all the causes of sorrow, peacelessness, and the vices. If any vices do come, be victorious and do not be defeated. To become free from all wasteful thoughts, negative thoughts and negative actions is the stage of being liberated in life.